G'day guys, another project that I've got to get done is the breather pipe for the black water and the grey water. I've got it sitting in the garage of the bus at the moment. It's there at the moment, so I haven't connected the breather pipe up to the roof as such and through the roof to allow it to breathe. So up on the roof I've got a siphon 360. That's this. I bought it off the internet, came from America. So we've got it sitting at the back of the bus on the passenger side corner. I've got to drill a 25mm hole through the roof of the bus, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to silicon around the outside with Sikaflex 252. I'm going to screw down through the holes and then cut the pipe. The pipe only sits up that much out of the roof, so I've got to make sure I've cut it the right length. Then I can join it through down to that section just there. So I've marked that out around the siphon 360, made the circle. I've measured in to make sure I've got the middle of the circle. Now I'm going to drill down through that. I've checked underneath to make sure I'm roughly in the right spot. So we're going to go ahead and drill another hole into the roof of the bus, just like what I like to do. Okay, so I've drilled through the roof. Now I'm going to clean up the edges with a file and put some rust protector on there. Also make sure you clean out all the shavings because it leaves little rust spots otherwise, so I'll do that as well. So I've put some butyl tape around the outside of it. I'm now going to put some Sikaflex 252 around the outside, and then I'm going to put the cap on and screw it in. I've just drilled some pilot holes, smaller than what I'm using, and I've also using stainless steel screws to go down through it. Alright, we've got the Sikaflex down. Now I'm going to put on the cap. Make sure I'm close to where the holes are supposed to be. Alright, I've joined it onto the bus now and used lots of Sikaflex on it to cover it up. I'm going to let that harden off overnight. Inside I'm going to make sure the pipe's right and cut it off to length and glue it into the connection and then strap it to the wall, and then the breather pipe for the grey water and the black water will be done. I finished connecting and gluing the breather pipe in and up the top, and so she's nice and tight all the way through. So alright guys, there's the breather for the black water and grey water tanks. It's all now been siliconed in, screwed in, and all good to go.